Photographers, have you been selling canvases and metal prints, but you want to know how to get into offering frames? It's super easy. Let me show you how to do it. Canvas, metal, and acrylic prints are great, but what if you want to offer frames? Under the type of print, let's go ahead and choose framed prints, and then you can choose your mat size, but there's still no frames, right? So down here, next to the images, rooms, click on the frames and choose your frame. I'm going to choose a 2-inch black frame, and then all we need to do is make sure we size, drop that into place, and remember Fundy Designer will automatically line the top and the bottom up for you. Here's a 16 by 20. We can just click that and do 16 by 20 here and drop that into place. And if that's too big, we can select all of these, select the orange corner and size down a little bit. And we have 3 16 by 16s. And remember, if you don't like the frames that are in here or you want to import your lab's frames, just click Add Frame. There are instructions here. Go to your lab. They have these outside edge frames pre-done for you. Import that frame, tell us how wide that frame is, and import, and you're done. And that's how you start selling frame prints in Fundy Designer. If you like these tips, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing them to you because we want you to make at least an extra $50,000 next year with Fundy Designer.